Today's lesson is on the life cycle of a plant. I will be discussing the 4 stages, which are seed, germination, reproduction, and seed dispersal. The first stage is the seed stage. A seed has 3 parts that are very important to the growth of the plant. The first is the seed coat, which is the outer layer that protects the embryo from injury or from drying out. The second are the cotyledons. These are special leaves that are packed around the embryo and used as a temporary food source. And the third is the embryo. This is an undeveloped plant that will grow into a new plant beginning in the germination stage. Germination is the process in which a plant grows from a seed. It begins when the seed takes in water, causing the seed coat to soften. This allows for the radicle to emerge and form a root. Once the root is formed, then the plant can begin to grow upwards and out of the soil. There are very specific conditions that need to be met in order for a seed to germinate. These conditions include water, as some plants like more water than others, temperature, because some plants like to grow in warmer temperatures while others like to grow in colder temperatures, and light, because some plants like direct sunlight while other ones don't like any sunlight at all. I encourage you to research the conditions that your plant needs in order to germinate before you plant it in soil. The third stage is reproduction. Plants reproduce through the process known as pollination. Pollination can occur both within a single plant or between multiple different plants. Plants use biotic agents such as animals, bees, butterflies, etc., and abiotic agents such as wind and water for pollination. The final stage is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal happens in multiple different ways, such as animals, when seeds such as burrs attach to their fur and then fall off as they walk or run around. Another source is wind. I'm sure everyone has seen these dandelions with the white seeds on top. You make a wish and you blow on it and the seeds spread out all over the grass. That is another form of seed dispersal. A third way is water, as some plants grow directly in water, so the seeds float away from the plants and grow somewhere else within the water. And the fourth source is force. Some seeds are held within pods, and as these pods grow, they snap and drop the seed into the soil to grow a new plant. I now encourage you to go and try the seed and paper towel experiment. For this experiment, you will need a paper towel, water to moisten the paper towel, and some seeds. You will first spray the paper towel with water to make it moist, and then put a couple seeds in the middle of the moist paper towel. Once the seeds are spread out, you will fold the paper towel to cover the seeds and put it into a plastic bag and seal it. Then you will place the bag directly into sunlight and wait a couple days until the seeds begin to germinate. Once you notice them start to germinate, you can carefully transfer them into soil so that they can continue to grow. I now have a couple of questions to ask that you can answer in groups or by yourself. I encourage you to pause this video after each question so that you can answer it before the answer key comes up at the end. 1. What is the purpose of the seed coat? 2. What is the name of the process in which a seed grows into a plant? 3. What is the name of the process in which plants reproduce? 4. What are the 4 ways that seeds are dispersed? I now encourage you to pause the video as the answer key is about to appear in the bottom right corner. If you would like to go out and do your own research on the life cycle of a plant, these are the websites that I use to get my information. I highly encourage you to do more research as there is so much more you can learn about plants and how important they are for our environment. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.